Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you how to use Google Play Balance for in-app purchases. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to use Google Play Balance for in-app purchases here, well, there are a few things that you may need to do and you need to understand. Now, the thing with Google Play Balances here is you can only use this if you have enough balance for that specific purchase. So how do you exactly use it? Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to go and open up Google Play Store here, and you want to go and click on the profile icon at the top right, and just make sure that you're using the correct account. Now, in this case, once you do that, or once you switch over to the correct account, you want to go and just head over to the app or whatever you want to purchase inside Google Play Store. So in this case, for example, I'm going to go to books. Let's go and just click on one of them and click on the purchase button here. Now, typically when you purchase something inside Google Play Store, you should see this pop up here. It's going to give you the item that you're buying and also your current payment method. Now, instead of using your current payment method, you could go and click on your payment method, and we'll give you all the available payment methods for your account. Now, again, like what I said before, if your account has enough Google Play balance in your account, you'll be able to use, or you will be able to select your Google Play balance as a payment method in here to pay for that item that you have right now. So you want to go and select that. And once you've selected that, you can go and click on the top buy button at the very bottom and basically confirm a few things in order for you to proceed with your purchase. And once you've done that, you're pretty much good to go. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.